Good afternoon. My name is Amal Abuabdou, and today I will be discussing my science fair project. We will be finding out which stain remover is best for clothes. The purpose. The purpose of this project is to find out which stain remover is best for clothes. And my background research. The background research of this project is comparing two stain removers to see which will remove the stain more. I will be comparing OxiClean Max Force stain remover to Clorox stain remover. And my problem/question is which stain remover is best for clothes. My hypothesis. If OxiClean Max Force stain remover is used as a stain remover, it would remove the most stain on the t-shirt. And these are my variables. My independent variable of this project is the stain on the t-shirt. And my dependent variable of this project is which stain remover removed the most of the stain. And my control of this project is the amount of stain remover I will use for the stain. Here is a look at my materials. An old white sock or a t-shirt, large old towel, scissors, ketchup, water, bleach, grape juice, hand soap, masking tape, spray bottle, marker, permanent marker, access to patch of grass, 3 eyedroppers, 5 medium-sized plastic containers, 2 different brands of stain removers. And here is my procedures. I have a continuous too. Basically, my procedures say to cut out 20 2x2 inch squares from the old white sock or t-shirt, and then you want to lay out an old towel and use the waterproof marker that was practically the permanent marker, and write the word control on a piece of masking tape and stick it on the top left corner of the towel. And then you use one of the eyedroppers that you needed and put a few drops of grape juice on 10 of the squares that you cut out, and then use another eyedropper to put a few drops of ketchup on another 10 of the squares that you cut up. You want to line these controls underneath the control label that you put on your old towel. And then using the same process, you want to stain the other 15 pieces of cloth with 5 grape juice and 5 ketchup. And here is the continuous one. And for the next 3 sets of stained cloths of grape juice and ketchup, you have to dip the fabric into a container of water and rub it in a dot of hand soap to the stain. With masking tape and a permanent marker, label this hand soap plus water. In your next set, you spray the cloth with your first store-bought stain remover and label the set with the brand name, which was the first one, Clorox stain remover. And then you repeat step 9 for the second store-bought stain remover, which was the OxiClean Max Force stain remover, and use an eyedropper to apply 3 drops of bleach to the next set of stains. And you have to be careful because bleach is an irritant, so make sure you wash with soap and water if you get any on your skin. Don't forget to label that. Next, you have to make your own stain remover that is homemade, and see how it compares. So in the spray bottle, you mix 1 tablespoon of Dawn dishwashing liquid with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, and swish the mixture around a little and spray it on your last set of stains. Add your label to the towel. Create an hypothesis which stain remover will work the best. Which one will be the least effective. And this is a look at my results pictures. So the front row is stained with ketchup, but each column I used a different stain remover. And the back row, I stained it with grape juice. And for each column, as I said, I used a different stain remover. So for the first column, my stain remover was water, and my second column was bleach, third, Clorox stain remover, fourth, hand soap plus water, and fifth, OxiClean Max Force stain remover. And here's a look of my data table. There's a key at the bottom of the slide to show you what each number represents. And here is the look of my data in a bar graph, just in case you would prefer it that way. My results. My result pictures show that the bleach removed the most of a stain. My conclusion. In conclusion, the results did not support my hypothesis. The data of this project show that the bleach removed the most stain. My future application / next time. My project is helpful for people to know which stain remover is best for stains on clothes. In the future, I would compare Tide To Go Instant Stain Remover, which you can get at Amazon, and OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener Plus Stain Remover, which you can also get at Amazon. Here is a look of my bibliography. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good day.